Audi A3 2015. Today I need to change shock absorber. Somebody done it. I don't understand. Why is this plastic upside down? Okay, this need to change. I need to change this arm, which is gone. Anti-roll barring and CV boot outer. And the locker wheel nut is broken, so I need to break this one to open it. Let's see. Wow. Need to open CV, the ball joint as well. Replacing this, replacing anti-roll barring and shock absorber. Shocker is done. That's why I put on a tire, but the customer says he will paint the wheels, you see. You send me wrong part, okay? The part you send me is totally wrong because it doesn't come with, you saying it comes with the bush. Look, this is how it's coming. And you didn't send me CV boot, so it's too late for me now. I need to order somewhere else. Seriously, waiting 1.5 hours. After 2 hours, I've got the CV boot, grease, clamp, and also arm.